and record you saying what's up, bro. Get back to the game.
What's up, bro? Let's get back to the game.
Get back to that spot, bro. Monkey.
I actually don't know how to post it to my actual channel, so I think I'm just gonna create a new channel and tell everyone to go to that new channel. Anyways, I'm gonna get there.
Monkey.
No, I'm gonna get back. I'm gonna get all the way back. Got it.
Monkey.
Got it before you could. You gotta get that one away.
Crikey.
You gotta get back. You got fat arms.
Can you go up on top there and record a video shoot? You're gonna record me jumping down onto me, like this. Monkey.
Oh my god, that's so scary. No, please.
Monkey.
I beg you. My farts don't taste good. Hey, look, I'm gonna disappear. I'm gonna disappear. Oh my god. I never want to show a trick.
I'll tell you when my head's about to die.
Okay.
I don't know what percent it's on right now. I can't see. %.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Go at me. Yay. Why would you do that? I feel betrayed.
Do you want to go to the maze?
Yeah.
Try to guide me through it with your hands.
Okay. I just got this quest too, like a little over a week ago.
I have this one for like 2 years.
Oh my god. Okay, so you going
with your finger. I know I'll do it first. Come on.
Oh my god. Do I have to? Hey yo. It's like a little wet carrot. I want to eat the carrot. Give me the carrot. Give me the carrot. I stare. You sound close. You sound very close. No, his headset died. I'm getting that.